Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Join me as we explore the Petronas Twin Towers today and the city view from level 41, 83 and 86. Watch till the end, you don't want to miss this. These twin towers are 452 meters tall and 33,000 tons heavier. Let's explore the towers. Now we are heading to level 41.
Bridge is a double-deck skybridge at the double-deck upper deck reserved for the staff. And unique facts about this bridge actually not fully connected to the towers. As you can see here, there is a 12-inch gap.
In this briefing, she mentioned both the twin towers are having a bridge in between, but it's not connected. Oh, look at this city view. Amazing. There you see the water, that's a fountain which shines in the night with the lights, and you can see the greenery that is completely a park where people come and do some workout and chill out in this place. At this level 41, there is a 15 minutes exploring time so that people can come and take the pictures and the videos. A very nice view, clear sky, clouds, and the towers are really giant. Look at this. It's time up at level 41, now heading to level 86. Now we are at level 86. Wow. I think kind of a decoration, people are viewing it and enjoying. Let's see what is on the other side. Very beautiful. The replica of Twin Towers here. Wow. Amazing. I can't believe I'm standing at level 86. Let's see, what is this? Oh, okay. This is a city view. They have decorated. Wow, so nice. With the reflection of light, I'm unable to show you guys clearly, but yes, this is a city view. Now let's go to the corner and see how this looks like from level 86. Wow, amazing. This is Kuala Lumpur from level 86 at Petronas Twin Towers. Wow, look at it. So tall. Here is another smaller version of Twin Towers. Nice. We can't touch them, but again I can show you guys. If you are visiting to Kuala Lumpur, please take time out to visit this place. You'll love it. There you see guys, one is Exchange 108 and another one is Mardeka 118, two tall towers. Here you see KL Tower as well, along with Mardeka 118. Now I'm standing at level 86 observation deck. Now I'm at level 83. And from here we can view and stay as long as you want to stay. Take the pictures and the photos, and after that go back. This is the place for having a coffee or tea and relax yourself. Then if you want to buy something, you have a lot of stuff to buy as a memory. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel.